Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today we'll be learning how to use two WhatsApp in one phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to use two WhatsApp in one phone, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and on this interface guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on the three dotted icon and tap on settings over here, and after that you can see there is a drop down arrow available for us just beside the QR code or our name over here. Tap on that drop down arrow and you can see there is the add account button available for us. If you tap on that add account button, you will be able to sign into another WhatsApp account over here, log into a second WhatsApp in from over here on this procedure, and you will be able to switch your accounts if you want to use two of them. And that being done guys, after going through the procedure to sign into your WhatsApp account, in that process you will be able to use two WhatsApp in one phone, and there will be a switch account button available for us either on the drop down arrow on this intersection or over here. When you first open up the WhatsApp, at the top right corner you can see the three dotted icon. There will be a switch account button available for us just below the settings if you have logged into your another account on WhatsApp by going through this procedure. And that being done guys, just the moment you add your another account on WhatsApp, you will be able to use two WhatsApp on your phone from over here. And that being done guys, this is how to use two WhatsApp in one phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.